Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me confess to you that one of my goals is finding supplements that allow me to age well, and I have found the right one here. Anti-Aging Molecular Collagen by Coco is one of my favorites. I love how this is soy, dairy, gluten, and GMO free. This is great with any beverage. I love making smoothies and I throw some of this in there. I also share this with my husband so we can both receive the benefits of taking this supplement. I also love adding it to my coffee. I steam it with my milk and it tastes just wonderful. This does not have an unpleasant flavor at all. I really appreciate how this acts in a cellular level, allowing your body to get the essential nutrients to function properly. As we get older, our body stops producing collagen, so it's so important for us to take a supplement. I highly recommend this one. The benefits of this collagen are endless, but that's just my point of view.